This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, I will show you how to use a word cloud generator quickly. Start by choosing a reliable online tool or app with export options. Prepare your text by pasting or uploading plain text or a single column CSV file. Clean your content by removing filler words and correcting typos before generating. Decide whether to include numbers, symbols, or phrases as single units. Choose a language and set stop words or custom exclusions for clearer results. This preparation saves time and improves visual clarity. Open your chosen word cloud generator and locate the text input field. Paste your clean text or upload the CSV and confirm the import. Choose a layout shape, font family, and color palette that match your purpose. Set the maximum number of words, for example 100 or 200, and adjust minimum frequency thresholds. Consider weighting words by frequency or by an uploaded numeric column. Preview the cloud and iterate until balance and readability are achieved. Each tweak updates the visualization instantly for quick feedback. Refine your cloud by adjusting word size scaling and minimum font size for legibility. Change color gradients and background contrast to improve accessibility for all viewers. Remove common stop words and merge synonyms to highlight meaningful terms. Lock or exclude specific words to guide audience focus and narrative. Export your cloud as PNG, SVG, or PDF depending on final use, such as a presentation or print. Save your settings when available for reproducibility and future edits. Share the downloadable file or embed code with collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.